Hey, I just wanted to talk about reading and writing workshops for a second. Writing helps students understand the purpose of reading, especially when the lessons are presented as they are needed, so in the moment. Reading skills and strategies are the same thing as thinking skills and strategies. In fact, Peter Elbow suggests in an article titled Writing First that people often think of listening and reading, not talking and writing, as the core activities in school. Writing is not the opposite of reading, it's just its parallel because they both require a person to make meaning of words. I like to think of it as if a tree fell in the woods and no one was around, would this tree make a sound? So the idea is if you're reading words but you're not making meaning, are you really reading? Reading and writing workshops also allow students choices, which gives the student a perspective that they can then share with peers. Reading and writing workshops also offer teachers a way to intervene in students' work at an individual level. The teacher can explain to the class generalizations from presenting the work of that one student. So let's just say we talk to Kelly about how to put dialogue, or how dialogue would really make her work look better. It would add to just make it 3 steps better than it is right now. Well, you let Kelly go ahead and do that work, and then you present it to the class like, hey guys, look at what Kelly did. I mean, she was going this path, and then she decided to put dialogue in her work, and let's read it. Let me read it to you and let you hear how much better her work is now. Reading and writing workshops also offer teachers an opportunity to teach mini lessons that focus on a skill needed in the moment. So if Kelly didn't know how to do dialogue, you can actually teach her right then. Now another thing, or you could teach the whole class at that time. And to add to that, you can also video the little mini lessons, and then say a month goes by and they start to forget, how to do dialogue, maybe the quotation marks or whatever. You can send them to that video that you made, and you don't have to reteach it. You don't have to, they can go to the Chromebook and go to your website or whatever you have to present videos.